Hello, my name is Mary and I am from the Philippines. And if you wanted to learn Bisaya, then this is a good channel for you. Okay, I will teach you the everyday expression in Bisaya. So please do like, share, and subscribe. Alright, good day, maayong adlaw. Good day, maayong adlaw. Good morning, maayong buntag. Good morning, maayong buntag. Good noon, maayong udto. Good noon, maayong udto. Good afternoon, maayong hapon. Good afternoon, maayong hapon. Good evening, maayong gabi. Good evening, maayong gabi. Thank you, salamat. Thank you, salamat. Thank you very much, daghan kaayong salamat. Daghang salamat. You're welcome, walay sapayan. Walay sapayan, you're welcome. Don't mention it, walay sapayan. Don't mention it, walay sapayan. Please, palihog. Please, palihog. Come in. Dayon kamo. Welcome. Maayong pag-abot. Welcome, maayong pag-abot. How are you? Kumusta ka? How are you? Kumusta ka? Fine, thank you. Maayo, salamat. Fine, thank you. Maayo, salamat. Very well, thank you. Maayo kaayo, salamat. Maayo kaayo, salamat. Excuse me, tabi? Excuse me, tabi? I'm sorry, gikasubo nako. I'm sorry, gikasubo nako. Goodbye, adios, adto nako. Goodbye, adios, adto nako. At once, karon dayon, ura mismo. Karon dayon at once. Later on, taod-taod. Later on, taod-taod. By and by, unya na. By and by, unya na. What else? Unsa pa. What else? Unsa pa. Who else? Kinsa pa. Who else? Kinsa pa. Where else? Asa pa. Hain pa. Where else? Asa pa. Hain pa. Okay, so this is for today. This is just 3 minutes. So thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.